In this video, I'll teach you how to use text styles to automatically format summary tasks and milestones in your Microsoft project schedules. Some years ago, a young project manager colleague of mine painstakingly manually formatted every summary task with one background color and every milestone task with another. His project had thousands of tasks in it. When he proudly showed me what he had done, I removed all of the formatting that he had applied manually, and I showed him 2 tricks to automatically format the summary tasks the way he wanted and the milestones the way he wanted. He was shocked.
Holy moly!
In this video, I'll teach you that trick. So let's get started. In this project, I would like to automatically format every summary task using the light blue cell background coloring. And I would like to automatically format every milestone task using the red font color and the bold italics font style. Here's how to do that. Click the Gantt chart format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. In the Format section at the left end, click the Text Styles button. Microsoft Project will display the Text Styles dialog. This is where I can control the automatic formatting of all types of tasks in the project. In the Text Styles dialog, click the Item to Change Pick List button and first select Summary Tasks. In the Background Color Pick List button, select the color you want. I would like blue lighter 60%. In the Sample section of the dialog, I can see what my summary tasks will look like. That's exactly what I want. Then click the Item to Change Pick List again, and this time choose Milestone Tasks. I'd like all of my milestones to be bold italic. I'll select that in the Font Style section. Then click the Color Pick List button, and I'd like the red that is in the Standard Colors section. Again, the Sample section of the dialog shows how milestones will be formatted. That is exactly what I want. Click the OK button when finished, and Microsoft Project will automatically apply the formatting to every summary task and every milestone as you selected. You know, I sure hope you liked that trick. If you did, please like, subscribe, and get notifications about new upcoming videos. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends and colleagues. If you have a question, be sure and ask your question in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.